Welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a jack-o'-lantern lit garland using these ping pong balls. Let's get started. I am using this tiny screwdriver to poke holes to get our string light through the balls, and I am doing it where the branding has been done so that it stays upright and not on the side of our jack-o'-lantern. Now the holes are done. I'm going to use a Sharpie to draw a jack-o'-lantern face on it. Now I'm going to add a tiny little nose and a mouth. You can try different patterns. I'm just doing freehand here. So this is our jack-o'-lantern. Now make as many as you need. Now we are going to string this light inside these jack-o'-lanterns. Pull through the entire string light out of each pumpkin so you can add more on this end here. If you face any difficulty, you can always widen the hole just by applying a little bit of pressure. Here is our garland all strung up. Now we are going to hang it up and see how it looks. And here is our jack-o'-lantern ping pong ball Halloween garland all ready to decorate our spooky decorations.
Happy Halloween!